That's pretty good there.
We're down to many rounds.
Let's load that one in. That's good. Just make sure our timing's all good. Bit early.
We're down to many rounds.